안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 Jenny예요. Hello everyone, my name is Jenny, and today we're going to be talking about a very, very useful grammar pattern called go. Go is very useful because it helps you link two main clauses. Clauses are groups of verbs containing a verb, and sentences typically have 1 to 2 clauses. But the nice thing about this is that it allows you to make more complicated sentences. Go pretty much translates to and, so you'll be able to link two different clauses and create compound sentences. You use go with verbs, adjectives, 있다, 없다, and 이다, 아니다, and you use the same form no matter if the stem ends in a vowel or a consonant, so you don't have to worry about that. So before learning this grammar pattern, if you wanted to say this bag is cheap and also big, you would have to split it up into two sentences. 가방은 크고, 가방은 사요. The bag is big, the bag is cheap. But now that we're learning this new grammar pattern, you can combine those two sentences into one. And you can say 가방은 크고, 사요. The bag is big and cheap. Or you could switch it to put cheap first and say 가방은 사고, 커요. The bag is cheap and big. You can use go to link clauses with the same subject or different subjects. So before, you would have to say 서로 씨는 텔레비전을 봐요. Sora watches television. 미나 씨는 공부해요. Mina studies. But now you can link them together. Sora 씨는 텔레비전을 보고 미나 씨는 공부해요. Sora watches TV and Mina studies. This is an example of clauses with two different subjects. 안디 씨가 친절하고 똑똑해요. 똑똑하다 is to be smart, which maybe it's not true, but maybe you're being nice. Andy is kind and smart. This has the same subject, which is Andy 씨. 안디 씨는 기타를 치고 미나 씨가 노래해요. 기타를 치다 is to play the guitar. 노래하다 is to sing. So this is two different subjects. One is Andy, one is Mina, but you still can connect this sentence with go. So Andy plays guitar and Mina sings. When go is used to connect two or more verbs and adjectives in the past or future tense, the tense is only expressed in the last adjective or the last verb. That means that the verb or adjective you're connecting it to does not get conjugated. You will only conjugate the verb at the end of the sentence. So, if you want to say 책을 읽었어요, I read a book. 그리고 and 텔레비전을 봤어요, and I watched television. You will only conjugate this verb here. And you'll say 책을 읽고 텔레비전을 봤어요. I read a book and I watched television. Tense is only expressed through that last verb. 책을 읽을 거예요. I will read a book. 그리고 텔레비전을 볼 거예요. 책을 읽고 텔레비전을 볼 거예요. 피곤했어요. I was tired. 그리고 배고팠어요. And I was hungry. 피곤하고 배고팠어요. I was tired and hungry. 드라이브하다, to go on a drive. You use this when you're doing it for fun rather than for like work. So if you're going on a drive for fun, that's when you can use 드라이브하다. 이야기하다, to talk. If you want to connect these two together, you can say 드라이브하고 이야기해요. Or you can also put 이야기하다 first and say 이야기하고 드라이브해요. 아르바이트하다, to work a part-time job. 시험을 준비하다, to prepare for an exam. 아르바이트하고 시험을 준비해야 해요. Combine the aya 해요 form for this. I have to work my part-time job and I have to prepare for the exam. 아르바이트하고 시험을 준비해야 해요. 동생 is a younger sibling. 동생을 도와주다, help. 선생님하고 만나다, to meet with your teacher. 동생을 도와주고 선생님하고 만났어요. I helped my sister probably tie her shoe, and I met with my teacher. 넓다 is to be wide, to be spacious. 유명하다 is to be famous. So, Central Park in New York. 넓고 유명해요. It is wide and spacious, and it's also famous. Or you can say 유명하고 넓어요. It is famous and spacious. 하고 is added to nouns and means with and. Is in this example here, 선생님하고 with teacher. I have to meet with my teacher. So if you want to say that you went to the theater with a friend, or that you and a friend went to the theater, you can say 친구하고 극장에 갔어요. 밥하고 닭갈비하고 잡채하고 김치찌개를 먹었어요. In this way you can kind of list a bunch of nouns after each other by saying and or with. So I ate rice, spicy stir-fried chicken, stir-fried glass noodles, and also kimchi stew. 소라 씨하고 완 씨가 같이 저녁을 먹었어요. Sora and Wan ate dinner together. 소라하고 완 씨. Sora and Wan. That is it for this lesson. 잘했어요. 다음에 봐요. See you later.